Hi there, this is Ankit back again with another video. So first of all, welcome all of you in my channel KNA Technology. So without wasting our time, let us start our today's session. So as usual, I would like to show you the work that I have done so far in last videos. So for this, let me open XAMPP folder that contains all our project files inside a folder called htdocs. So here you go. Inside bus book tutorial. Okay, this is my sample. This is my working project. So first let me show you the work that I told you that I will show you. So here, when you click on bus from through Ranchi and Patna as a boarding station and destination station, and using date, a specific date of bus, okay, and when you click on search bus, then the PHP server redirects you to the search bus.php, where all the bus that are available on the specific date will be presented on the screen. So when we click on the specific bus through view detail, then okay, we need to first log in, because without login user cannot view the bus detail information. Okay, so for this, first login yourself into website. Now search the bus. I am taking the date as Tuesday. Now this is it. Now view details. When you click on this, in the last video I had told you that you can see the detailed description of bus as well as the bus sitting arrangement. Okay, but in last video I was not able to complete sitting arrangement part, so we will try to complete that part in this video. But before that, I need to show you that when a user try to log out from here, he will redirect to the login page. Okay, but in the last video I had not explained you the working process of that. So first let me show you that, and after that we will move forward. So let me open my tutorial page. Okay, come to Apache admin server, write the URL bus book tutorial main.php. That's it. Now come to bus ticket.php, search bus. Yes, now you can see there two buses are available as Permit Travels and Volvo Travels. So on clicking on Permit Travels, you can see the details are displaying here. Permit Travels, boarding station Patna, destination station Mumbai, duration 8 hours, seats available 80, rating is 4 and fare is 620 per head. We will modify that also in later videos, but first let me complete the main part of the project, and this is our sitting arrangement that we have completed in last video. So I have told you to show you the working process of logout system. So when you click on, okay, there is in error in GUI, as you can see. On clicking on the email ID logout drop down appears in the left side instead of appearing just below the email ID. So first we have to solve that problem also. For this, come to Sublime Text Editor. Sheets available.php. Okay, where was that code available? Sorry, where is that code available? I need to first check it out. Okay, here is it. Yes. Dive class drop down menu, anchor tag href login.php class drop down item. Is it something that I am missing in this code? I think so. Nav data toggle drop down img src type class drop down menu hrank login.php class drop down item. Switch available.php. Okay. Clicking on logout. Yes, we are redirected to the login page, but we are in the GUI. Working process good. nkit@123. Yes, that's good. Partner to Ranchi and date is Tuesday. Search bus. View details. Yes. Problem is that logout should come here. Okay, we will check it out later. There is no big deal in this. First, let me solve the problem of this. Okay. Setting arrangement that was incomplete. In this video, we will try to link that GUI with database so that the sheet those are booked at the moment will be displayed as red color background, and those uh, those are available will be displayed with a blue color background. So for this, h set query select bus seats dot seat number bus seats dot status bus seats dot bus name bus seats bus name from buses inner join bus seats dot inner join bus seats. Okay, on bus seats dot bus name is equal to buses dot bus name bus seats dot bus name that is equal to buses dot bus name and buses dot id is equal to sorry dollar bus id. That's it. Now fire this query variable using the MySQLi query method. MySQLi query that accept the parameters as condition variables and query variable, that is fetch seat query. That's it. Now take one variable called seat status and that will be as act as an array and another variable will be seat number that will be also act as an array. Okay, and another variable is total seat to count total number of seats and that will be null. Initially we will assign some value later. If dollar fetch seat query result, if it is true, then dollar total seats is equal to MySQLi num rows dollar fetch seat query result. Okay, this statement indicate that whatever is the value coming in fetch seat query result, okay, if it is true, then we are passing that value inside MySQLi num rows PHP method that count the number of rows available in this variable. Okay, and returns to the total seats that will be equal to an integer value whatever with the number of rows available inside the table. Okay, now we will take a while loop inside which we will assign a row variable and the value that will be assigned inside the variable will be associative array using the method MySQLi page associate, and it takes a parameter as a boolean variable that is fetch seat query result. Okay, inside while loop we will store the sheet number coming from the table. Okay, using the row variable, and the value will be a status. That is same as the name of the column. And second one is sheet number and sheet status. Row sheet status. Okay, and here will be sheet number. That's it. Now this is for this angular bracket, and I think this is for no one. Okay, now since we have assigned the sheet number into a sheet number PHP array using the row variable, okay, inside a while loop, this actually returns the associative array inside a row variable, which in turn from where we will fetch the sheet number, okay, of the table inside a sheet number array in each repetition of while loop. So that's it. Okay, this is enough for this video, and we will continue this part in next video. So thank you. Stay tuned with us. See you in next video.